Hey there, Slim. Hey, buddy. You want some? You want some? Oh, you do? Well, okay, buddy. You look around. You look around. We'll keep those deer flies off you, too, eh? Let's just see if we can get another song in here before we got to get away from these flies. That's Slim. Yeah, he likes my cooking better than I do. This here goes down to all the swampers and laborers and everybody else that keeps Toronto through these days ticking. Hey, a 10 hut to all those health workers out there in the front line as well. You're down there in the city fighting the heat and the smog and the people at your feet. I'm up here in the country sitting down in the shade on a log. Yeah, I'm watching frogs. I got a beagle at my feet, the one whom I call Slim. You're down there in the city fighting the snow and the slush and the slick and wipers that don't work. You stop off at a store and you buy your release. Yeah, I'm up here in the country sitting down in the snow with the snowshoes under me. Slim is plowing through the snow like a freight train out of control. I got applesauce and peaches done down for the winter time. Yeah, I was out with the hounds where the chickens lay their eggs in the sawdust at Sherry's place. I got sawdust in my sandals and ain't like the beach. I got sawdust in my sandals and ain't like a beach. Wow! 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 Hey, Slim, you know what we're doing. That's right. All right. I'll tell them about it. Yeah. We got corn in the pot, yeah, it's steaming a lot. Every drop is 100 proof. We got corn in the pot, yeah, it's steaming a lot. Every drop is 100 proof. Woo! I got sawdust in my sandals and ain't like the beach. I got sawdust in my sandals and ain't like the beach. Woo! Hey, Slim, remember those days? The song is called I Got Sawdust in My Sandals and Ain't Life a Beach.